how do you erase specific messages? Well, if you look here, you have basically the conversations that you're having with all the different people. If you want to erase the entire conversation, you just swipe there and hit delete. Or you can just hit this edit button, select the conversation, and hit delete. If you want to erase a specific message, like let's say you wanted to erase this one. Oop, that is not what I want to do. Hold down the message and you get all of these options. You can copy it, but then there's this more. This is where you select it and then you hit the trash can. So if you want to delete these two, then you hit the trash can. Delete two messages. And that'll erase individual messages. We'll try that again. There's a link right here because it's an event, so I'm going to just go ahead and touch over here and then hit more and then select the messages you want to delete. You can delete the ones that take up space on your phone, like the GIFs and whatnot, and then hit delete. Delete 4 messages. If you have any questions or comments, or if you have any video requests, leave a comment below. If you are interested in further iPhone support, you can take a private iPhone lesson or online courses at smartphonelearningzone.com. Thanks.